going into a garage. Turn on the light there. Looking at these three bikes, oldies but goodies. This is a 350 Kawasaki. Let's see how many miles that's got on it. Pretty good for being 73. It looks like you got a soft-tail custom right there. Looks like they take care of it. Batteries on a tender on both of these bikes. There's an old Mako. It's like 75 to me. Gonna try to make a deal. All three bikes. See if that'll fly. Really not interested in the Harley. Really interested in the Kawasaki.